So we're going to do something exciting today. We're going to open up this box right here. So welcome to Techno Dad Life, and my name is Jeff. And so we're going to open up this box, which is a monitor, 27-inch monitor from TitanArmy. Came with a hole in the front here. So hopefully that doesn't affect anything. So before I unwrap this, I just want to say why I wanted to get this. So I have actually 3 monitors here. So there's one there, and those are 32 inches. Then I have a 17-inch monitor over here, and the 32-inch monitors are too big, so I wanted to get down a little bit, and this monitor is slightly smaller. It's 17 inches. So let's unpack this and see what we have. So first is the bottom of the stand, the top of the stand, bits and pieces and screws, and then we have the monitor itself and a power supply, which is 12 volt 4 amps. So let's take out the monitor here. There it goes. So actually, why I wanted this monitor, there's other secret reasons. So what I'm going to be doing is on my Mac here, I'm going to make it so it can play Windows games, and this will be a future video. But also Elite Dangerous, which is my favorite program, which is pretty old, but I like it, especially like the name. But let's take a look at this. So here we have our monitor. And so what I think I'm going to do is actually put this all together, which you probably don't need to see because it's just a few pieces. And then we'll talk about the monitor in a second here. Okay, so I've got it assembled, and so first thing I want to say is heavy. So definitely well constructed. The legs are metal. This post on the outside is plastic covered, but it seems to have a metal bar or something on the inside. Now on the back here, so how the monitor attaches or unattaches is there is just a little switch here. You push it up, tilts off, connects back on when you push it down. And then on the back for ports, we have our power port, 2 HDMI, 2 display ports, and a audio port or mic port. No audio port, excuse me, speaker port. The one thing that I noticed that I would really love is a little cable management. It has this here, which I guess is, let's see, I can't get that out. Oh, I found one little speaker. There's not actually enough room to press the display port so it comes out. My fingers actually, this space here is just not quite big enough for my fingers. But I guess the only cable management is this hole here. So, and you're supposed to run the cables through that. I'm still trying to get the, so I can't get my fingers in this little area here. So I'll have to get some pliers. There we go. So I got the display port off. And let's run that through the back here. And there we go. So if you need to get that off, probably need some pliers. I mean, I guess that is okay cable management. I would want it actually higher so then the cables are behind the posts. This way, when you look underneath here, you can see the cables there. Now, the monitor itself, you can twist. Oops, that's no good. Let's see if we can get it all the way upright. And yes, sort of, I guess. And let's try the other way. That way actually seems to work better. So if you're going to do it, don't leave the cables in like when you did it. When you do that, like me, because they'll probably break. Oh, I just noticed underneath here, you can just barely see. I'll show a picture of it. This is there's like a white plastic dot, and that's probably our monitor controls. Otherwise, on the back, there's nothing. Here you can see that tiny little space, which I can't get my finger into. Whoa. So, let's see, up that way. Oh yeah, and it goes down and up. And it seems to be nice and steady. So let's plug it in, see what that looks like. So now it's starting up, and there's our Windows display. And I wanted to show you the back of this too, so without dropping it. It has RGB on the back here. So like I said before, this is a 27-inch display here. It's IPS panel, 180 hertz, 1 millisecond response. It's QHD, so it's 2560 by 1440, and then it has 95% DCI-P3, which is pretty good. So if we take a look at the colors, for me, the colors are very vibrant. So basically, you can see they sort of match the back lights here, and the colors are like deeper, better than my 32-inch monitor. Okay, so I am playing some game, which I don't remember the name of, but it is definitely nice looking, I have to say. Okay, so this is another game. This is Cuphead, and so also looks very good. So would I recommend this monitor? Let's take a look at the price first. So if we look at the Titan website, so this is $199. Let's see if it's any different on Amazon. So on Amazon, as of today, it's $199, but you get a 15% off coupon. Oh, and one thing that I didn't add is it does have standoffs in case you want to attach it to a wall mount or some other type of stand. So is this a good monitor? Well, I would have to say it's better than any monitor I have ever owned. Definitely look into it and see if it's right for you. I'll leave links in the description for it, and definitely look up some other reviews of it, because you know what, I'm not actually a monitor reviewer, so I don't know what to look for, but it seems really good to me. That's it for today. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.